When it comes to reliable and beginner-friendly web hosting, HostGator has built a reputation as one of the most trusted and widely used hosting providers worldwide, serving millions of websites since its founding in 2002. Known for its robust infrastructure, wide range of hosting solutions, and user-focused services, HostGator caters to everyone from small bloggers to large businesses looking to establish a strong online presence. One of the standout features of HostGator is its flexibility, offering shared hosting for beginners, VPS hosting for growing websites, dedicated servers for high-performance needs, and managed WordPress hosting for seamless website management. This variety ensures that users can start small and scale their hosting as their website grows, without having to migrate to another provider. HostGator's control panel is intuitive and easy to navigate, featuring one-click WordPress installations, email account setup, domain management, and easy access to SSL certificates, which makes it extremely beginner-friendly. In terms of performance, HostGator guarantees 99.9% uptime, ensuring that websites remain accessible to visitors almost all the time, and utilizes optimized servers across multiple data centers to provide reliable speed and loading times. Security is another strong point, with free SSL certificates on most plans, automated backups, DDoS protection, and malware scanning, ensuring that websites are safe and protected from cyber threats. Customer support is available 24/7 via live chat, phone, and support tickets, providing responsive and helpful assistance whenever needed, which is particularly valuable for new users who may encounter technical issues or need guidance on website setup. HostGator also offers scalable VPS and dedicated server options, giving advanced users full control over server resources, performance configurations, and development environments, making it suitable for complex websites and growing e-commerce stores. While HostGator's introductory pricing is competitive, users should be aware that renewal rates may be higher, and some advanced features such as automated backups, premium SSL certificates, and website security tools may come as add-ons, which is common across most hosting providers. Despite this, the value provided by HostGator in terms of performance, ease of use, and customer support makes it a reliable choice for personal blogs, small businesses, e-commerce websites, and even corporate platforms. Additionally, HostGator's website builder and managed WordPress services provide a smooth, hassle-free experience for users who want to launch a website without coding knowledge, while developers and advanced users can take advantage of PHP, MySQL, and other programming language support for fully customized projects. Overall, HostGator combines affordability, scalability, and professional-grade infrastructure with excellent customer support, making it a well-rounded hosting solution for individuals and businesses in 2026. Whether you are starting your first blog, launching an online store, or managing a growing corporate website, HostGator provides the tools, security, performance, and scalability needed to maintain a stable, fast, and secure online presence, making it a top choice for web hosting enthusiasts, beginners, and professionals alike.